Hello, and welcome to LM Construction Company. I'm Larry Monkarsh, the owner and founder of LM Construction, and since 1996, we've been building from your point of view. Whether it's full-scale ground-up construction, interior tenant improvements, pre-engineered building systems, we work with professionals across the spectrum, from architects and engineers to real estate agents, to provide exactly what you're looking for. LM Construction Company exists to turn your dream into a reality. We use the term building from your point of view to take into consideration everything the client is looking for. So we sit down with the client at the very start of a project with their idea and begin to pick their brain for information. We start from the very beginning and take it all the way through to the end of the project. We bring up every possible scenario and let them know the potential outcome, the upturn, the downturn for each item that they're requesting. If you are a developer and you're looking for ground-up construction, we tend to feel your pain. We understand there's a lot of work that needs to be done, and we're there to assist you in making sure that you have everything you need moving forward with your project. If you're a tenant looking to do a tenant improvement, same goes for you as well. We need to make sure that we've asked and exhausted every question to receive every answer that we can do to assist you in designing and constructing the space that you ultimately want. There's nothing worse than having something that doesn't work for you. So we make sure we provide every scenario up front and make sure everything's disclosed with our open book policy and get you exactly what you're looking for, turning your vision into a reality. The construction industry is ever changing. Year to year, day to day, you always have to keep an eye on commodities, making sure you know what today's pricing is so you can direct your client in the proper direction. We make sure that if you walk in and you want a certain type of construction, that we explain to you the costs associated with building in that format. Sometimes we can provide alternative ideas, or what we call value engineering, to those ideas and still accomplish what you're looking for. If you don't change, the construction industry will change anyway, and you'll be left behind. Our biggest push is to make sure that when we say building from your point of view, that means that not only just your point of view, but also from the point of view of the municipalities, from the point of view of the potential tenants, the point of view from your real estate agents that are going to be marketing your property, and the point of view from your customers if they come in and what they see when they walk in the door. We don't operate like your typical construction company. We don't focus on the bottom line for the business. We focus on the client's bottom line. We want to make sure that you make money, that you're there for tomorrow and possibly for future business. It doesn't do us any good to put all of our eggs in one basket and to make sure that you're going to be a viable long-term client. So we make sure that we provide every aspect of the business in cost savings, in material savings, in ideas that can accomplish what you're currently looking for. The choice of LM Construction Company can be clear and very simple. We're an open book. We explain to you the pitfalls of heading in a certain direction, and we'll explain the upside in heading in another direction. We want to make sure that we're your partner. We want to make sure that you understand that it's not just a one-time relationship, but that we will be there for you every step of the way. Even after the warranty period's over, even after you think that we're no longer a viable partner because it's been 5 or 10 or 15 years, we want to make sure that you come back. And we want to make sure that you're happy in what your choices were. So choosing LM Construction Company is very clear, very simple in my mind, because we make sure that you come first. Today's economy is tricky. It isn't what it was just 6 years ago. And we're sitting today in 2014, headed into 2015, into a very volatile marketplace. We've been in business since 1996. We've seen 2 cycles while we've been in business. This cycle is not like any other, and we need to make sure that we're ever changing with those cycles. It is not that simple anymore to understand the construction industry. You must know your product, you must know the commodities, you must know the building materials that are going to be going into each individual user's space.